Hello everyone, we are having a GIF mystery box and there is a limited edition over here and then we need to get it. And let's slide the lid up. It says slide the lid up. I think we need to do that first and then you need to unbox the wrapping. This is my third one.
I hold it for you, Amber.
And then we've got this and then let's see what's inside. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, spiky cactus. Let's see. Oh, it's spiky cactus. How do you do it actually? Hey.
It looks so colorful. It's very cute.
Let's see which one we got. Is it failed? Please don't be failed. Oh. This is super too because I do have this, which is because that means common. That's common. That is common too, and there is a rare one. And then let's find the ultra rare one. But the black one is the limited edition. It's the limited edition laser cat. We need to find it. So this is so cute because it goes like that and it says hey. Because if you just pop it out, it says hey. 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 Hey everyone, what are you on today? Hey, you wavy. Like and share if you think this is the best or don't. Do you like the laser catly one, the ninja shady one, or this one? Comment which give surprise one you like, because you get to see these. Because my friend got this crying Claudia, and this is super rare. Party poops. That's party poops. And then the freebie pack is pickle puggle because you just open the cap and then the pickle comes out. And Grim Slizy happens. Bye. Bye.